shine. In the light of positivity with a big bag of green, plus you all, Tanya. I still respect you, appreciate your hard work, and mama see just out there, because no matter the weather around you, this we're the best friends ever. David Brown, much respect. Kelly Breen. I'll break Gretchen when we got my phone. Let's shake this song bitch up, because you know, the crew, he flies straight with the big bag of green. And the Reaper Bowl, baby. Feeling good? I know I am. Deborah, what just got lit? Let's try to let it positivity. Because that's what we do. Go cook us some Jack Jones, some Jack Swiss cheeseburgers, and the unit in the bag. Ain't the shot. Oh yes, we got the party. It never stops. It's shining like positivity. Fuck you, boys. Ha ha, we coming alive. We're the greatest country of it all. With the biggest bag of green of it all. A full OZ and a little bit of G. Ice-T, I love you, OG. This brother, from another one. Tell it to that's everybody's favorite. I'm in the hole. Break my heart, soul, for like pump. No less. Oh, yeah, shooting like a willy. Oh, amazing. Shining in the light. Kind of something living. True Northwest. Family. We have a destiny. Let us order it all in the because we have seven videos coming. Show. Hope you know. I love you. Keep your eyes on the prize. Because you work hard enough. Dream can do come true. It can happen for you. Love you. Oh, who wants to get married? Who's feeling passionate? Who's feeling romantic? Who's running through the world? The truth. Turn right. Back again. With all our point. Love you all, man. No matter the circumstance, no matter the situation. Baby, we are the best motherfucking thing going today. Better than the Minds MC. Take care of each other. Rise up together. And you know, throw it up if you had enough.